Reviews: Smartwatches. Xiaomi Smart Band 7 Pro Review. Upsized with GPS by Vincent Chang. December 9, 2022. The Xiaomi Smart Band 7 Pro is a fitness tracker with smartwatch aspirations. That means a larger screen and swappable straps. There's also built-in GPS, which is an upgrade over the standard non-Pro version. But the usual limitations for these activity trackers apply: no App Store, no calls, and no custom replies for notifications. On the bright side, it will easily last over a week on a single charge. Quick specs: 1.64-inch AMOLED screen, 280 by 456 pixels, size 44.7mm by 28.8mm by 11mm, 20.5 grams, 235 mAh battery, up to 12 days battery life. Requires Android 6.0 or later, iOS 12 or later. The Pro version has a larger, rectangular watch face than the Xiaomi Smart Band 7. Hence, it looks more like a smartwatch than the slim and narrow Band 7, though there's no crown or button. It comes in either black or white, with 6 colorful silicone and 2 faux leather straps. The Pro is slightly heavier, by 7 grams, than the Smart Band 7, but the difference is negligible. I found the Pro's regular buckle strap to be more secure and less finicky than the Smart Band 7's pin-style clasp design. The Pro's 1.64-inch AMOLED screen is bright, up to 500 nits. It has an auto brightness feature that's not available in the standard Band 7. Because of the bigger screen, it's easier to read notifications, but you can't respond to them and tap on the icon of functions like the stopwatch or alarm.